What's up, guys? This video I'm going to replace my old, which is not old, is California Air tools. Very good, very quiet, but too small. And I got this Kobalt, which is also quiet. It says it's 70 decibels and that one is 60. Alright, so this is how it comes. Tape here. Alright, first impression, it's very good. Someone said the knob was like low quality. It's kind of good. I hate those things, so I'm gonna take it. 2 line outputs, that's great. Yeah, 2 of those. It says 2 pumps. Looks like it's 1 pump. Oh, it's 2 motors, one on this side, one on that. So this is how loud mine is today. So we can talk normal. I am not screaming at all. And we are in a closed space, which is the back of my garage. Alright, let's see what's up. Oh, not bad at all. Wow. It is quiet. It is actually, I would say like this tiny bit more louder than the other one, but not enough I need to scream or I can be here. And if I go to this side of the garage, I mean, yeah, I love it. And basically use less space than the other one. So this dial here is going to increase the pressure in bar PSI that your tool is going to work with. So I'm going to put like 60. You can see there. 60. Nice. Okay. And that's very easy to regulate. And here is 150. My part is inside. And yeah, I need to turn on some stuff, but let's see how it works. Alright, so it kicked in. You let me work around 2.5 minutes. I put around 75 to 90 PSI to work with the sandblaster, and 2 minutes was good actually with that PSI. So yeah, I love it. I'm in heaven. Before I could clean this much here with a full 8-gallon thing, and it wasn't enough. So yeah, I hope this video helps you somehow. I'm making videos about the Supra, powder coating parts and sandblasting and all that stuff. So follow my channel, subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.
Look past my face. See status. I'm eating some McDonald's.